Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is acquiesce. It is pronounced acquiesce and is spelt acquiesce. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Acquiesce is a verb that means to accept something reluctantly but without protest. It is often used to describe a situation where someone gives in or agrees to something even though they may not want to. For example, you could say, she acquiesced to her parents' demands and went to bed early. Or, the teacher acquiesced to the student's request for a longer break. The word acquiesce has its origins in Latin, from a word that means to find rest in or to remain at rest. In the story of the BFG, the little orphan girl, Sophie, initially fears the giant, but eventually acquiesces to his gentle nature and befriends him. Synonyms for acquiesce include agree, consent, yield, and comply. Antonyms for acquiesce include resist, oppose, and refuse. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, acquiesce. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.